If you've been using computers for years, you've likely heard at least a few tech truths that seem unquestionable, but in reality, many are outdated myths. Today we're going to tackle 14 of the most persistent computer myths and set the record straight. You might be surprised how many you still believe. Let's get started. Myth number 1, you must frequently defragment your drive. That might have been true with older hard disks, but with modern SSDs, defragmentation is either unnecessary or harmful. The system takes care of optimization automatically. Myth number 2, viruses are the main reason your computer is slow. While malware can cause trouble, most slowdowns come from too many programs running, low RAM, or older hardware, not just a virus hiding in the background. Myth number 3, paid cleaner software will drastically speed up your PC. Those registry cleaners and boosters are usually unnecessary at best and potentially risky at worst. Myth number 4, Macs don't get viruses. That's a dangerous myth. macOS is less targeted than Windows in some cases, but it's not immune, and you still need to be cautious. Myth number 5, more RAM always makes your PC faster. After a certain point, adding RAM yields diminishing returns. If your machine already has enough for your tasks, it's CPU and storage speed that often matter more. Myth number 6, a longer HDMI cable reduces video quality. The truth is, modern cables or well-made repeats work fine. Distance alone isn't a killer unless the cable or signal quality is poor. Myth number 7, if your browser shows a padlock icon, the website is automatically safe. That padlock means the connection is encrypted, but it doesn't guarantee the site itself is secure or trustworthy. Myth number 8, incognito mode makes you completely anonymous online. Not true. While your local device won't save your browsing, your internet service provider, the websites you visit, and other trackers can still see what you're up to. Myth number 9, leaving your laptop plugged in all the time will kill the battery. Modern devices have smart charging built in. Once they're full, they stop charging actively, so leaving it plugged in isn't the battery killer it once was. Myth number 10, you're too small to be targeted by hackers. Whether you're a large corporation or solo user, attackers don't always discriminate. Everyone is potentially vulnerable. Myth number 11, you need an antivirus only if you download suspicious files. Even safe-looking activities can expose you to threats. Regular updates and antivirus tools are still relevant. Myth number 12, more megapixels always equal better camera quality on your computer or phone. It's not just about the number, it's about the sensor size, lens quality, and image processing. Myth number 13, building your own PC is so complicated only pros should attempt it. While care is needed, many modern components are user-friendly, and there's plenty of help available, so building can be accessible if you're willing to learn. Lastly, myth number 14, you can delete something and it's gone forever. Even if you empty the recycle bin or wipe it, traces may remain. If you want real removal, you'll need proper tools or overwriting methods. It's clear that many of these beliefs sound logical, but no longer hold up in 2025. Technology has evolved, and so should our understanding of how it works. By dispelling these myths, you'll make smarter decisions, protect your devices better, and avoid falling for outdated advice. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more tech myth-busting and computer tips, and drop a comment below telling us which myth surprised you most. Thanks for watching.